Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a little self-love and self-care day and I'm just focusing that on my locks. So the first thing you see here is a baking soda soak. I'm just eyeing all the quantities and it's just water and baking soda in this cool little tub I found on Amazon. The link will be down in the description. I let my hair soak for about 15 minutes. The lemons are just for decoration. They smell nice and they look pretty. And throughout, I just kind of agitated my hair. And let me tell you, this soak was everything. Like, I think I'm about to get out in a minute, but look at that brown water. Like, that is a deep clean. I don't know why, but seeing this brown water made me feel so good. It was like a visual release of toxins and burdens. Next, I did an ACV rinse. It was just apple cider vinegar with the mother and water. I didn't rinse in between the baking soda soak and this one. But during this, you just want to agitate much more to make sure you're getting all of the baking soda out of your hair and your roots. This water was pretty much the same color when I came out of it, so I know everything is clean. If it was dark, I probably would have repeated this step. I soaked in this for about 10 minutes. So I still haven't rinsed my hair yet, but now I'm doing a hair mask and just talking. I do end up taking out all of my jewelry except for a few beads, which I have sewn in. I don't do masks on my locks generally, but I was like, hey, what the heck? I'll put a link in the description of what this is, but I'm just fully saturating my hair and I let it sit for about 15 minutes afterwards before I go and rinse. I've been locked for about 4 years. It'll be 4 years in July, and I've been freeform since the beginning. And if you don't know, that just means that I didn't start my locks with twists or braids. I just, stopped brushing my hair and let my hair do what it wanted to. It was honestly one of the hardest but most beautiful experiences ever. I also don't retwist my hair. Come on, it wouldn't be right if there was no grocery bag shot. I left this in my hair for another 15 minutes in the shower, and then I did a dedicated 15-minute rinse. But she is looking hydrated, okay, and soft and voluptuous. And normally this is the point where I would air dry. If it was the summer, I would go outside, sit in the sun, but it's winter and it's cold. And I have been worried about mildew, not because I have any, just because I don't want any. And Rev Air sent me this beautiful machine. This is not sponsored because they didn't pay me. But I did get it for free. I was on the PR list. They sent me like the whole package, the machine, some clips, some hair products. But as you guys saw with the hair mask, I use a lot of hair stuff, so this is not gonna do anything for me. I'm not even gonna use it. I don't know if these are the actual size of the products or if it was just like their PR size. But it's a Bright Spot Shine Spray, and it says it's for all hair types. And Wave Goodbye Hair Primer for types 1 and 2. And then Play It Straight Hair Primer for types 3 and 4. I'm guessing that this is like a heat protectant. Oops, whatever. Guessing it's like a heat protectant. I don't really know. I guess I will try to use some of this because I don't have any heat protectant. I didn't use heat on my hair even before. Ooh, it smells really good though. I always dry brush my hair. I feel like it helps with lint, but since I just put that heat protectant in, I'm gonna brush it now. There we go. So let's see, it says, prior to using Rev Air, Rev Air is designed to dry and straighten clean damp hair. Do not apply oils to hair before use of your device. Do not saturate hair with hair care products or water to the point of dripping. Do not use excess substances on or in the device. Filter and base should be scrubbed with a mild detergent every 3 to 5 uses. So I'm glad that I just brushed all that in. So I definitely wouldn't call using this amount on my hair oversaturating or anything like that. And also it is their products. I'm pretty sure it's okay to use their products right before. So this is the beast. Don't even know how to go about this. Okay, I'm just gonna turn it on and get started. There are a few things that I want to point out about using the Rev Air with locks. Depending on how big your locks are, that might also dictate how long it takes to dry it, because you can only fit a certain amount of locks in the hole at one time. Also, if you don't separate your roots, I'm not sure how well this might work for you because you do have to get pretty close to the root to dry everything. I've probably been going at it for like, I don't know, what, 15 minutes? And this is still damp. Granted, it's much less damp than this side, but still not completely dry. We're gonna keep going. We're gonna keep going. And I'm also gonna split my roots a little bit while I'm at it. Wow! Look how much hair I have left. I'm tired. I might actually need to take a break. I don't know why, but I really thought it was just gonna be like a breeze. Like I said, this is much less damp than this side, but it's still wet. I don't typically use any products on my hair, just like shampoo, coconut oil, and water. But this hair day, y'all, my hair was smelling real great for probably about a whole week after this. I really loved it. All in all, there is a bit of a learning curve, and as this was my first time, I haven't quite learned yet. My hair was still damp when I was done, but it was much, much, much less damp than if I were to air dry. So I feel like for now, I'm satisfied with that. Hopefully, I can get it to a point where it's fully dry and then update you guys on that. But with locks, it might just take time. It really might. And, that has to be okay. Just with my hair getting longer, I want to get a better drying routine down because, as you guys can see, I got a lot of hair. I have a lot of hair. But yeah, thank you for joining me. Thank you for being here. Please do the thing, like, subscribe, share, comment, whatever. And come back again to see what I'm up to. Bye.